third finalist from Group B. Any guesses? So we have Divyansh Mishra from Krishna Public School, Dunda. Can you please clap for him?
Good morning to everyone present over here. I'm Divyansh Mishra studying in class 7A, KPS Dunda, Raipur. I'm going to present my idea, Aashiana. Home is the place of love, hope, and care. Building a beautiful home is everyone's dream, right? Every family member wishes if they can design their own space. For example, mom can have her own kitchen as per her wishes. Kids want their own as per we kids dream of. But at the end of the story, dad tells everyone's requirement and architect imposes his experience to narrow down on his own design and finalize our dream home. That's not fair. To overcome this problem, I am introducing Aashiana, an AI powered smart architect with lots of dynamism for designing a beautiful home. Aashiana analyzes the requirements of every user from new design trends and provides a professional and reliable 3D flow plan. Objective of creating Aashiana. The core objective is to create an application which can understand the needs of every family member, adapt their suggestions, and immediately generate a 3D flow plan to visualize and even improvise upon it. Why should we build Aashiana? Design built by Aashiana will have a quality like a professional architect, takes care of structural stability, gives every family member a fair chance to participate in designing, and provide one's personalized touch. But what does Aashiana do? Designing needs a lots of areas to consider. For example, space utility, directional needs, lifestyle priorities, budget, structure, stability, maintainability, and extensibility. Aashiana comes with many features that incorporates the above crucial factors to provide a design useful for the user. Those include identify specifications, new trends and areas for improvement, versatile and flexible 3D flow plan, fits the priorities and lifestyle, provide personalized feedback. How does Aashiana work? Aashiana works in two stages. In Aashiana stage 1, the user will be giving information. For example, number of rooms, halls, directions, etc. as speech or text input. The AI model will process these inputs and generate top few 2D flow plan images. The user can choose the 2D flow plan images it likes. Otherwise, improve on speech or text inputs. Second stage AI model based on the selection of 2D flow plan by the user with additional speech or text input. For example, wall color, door color, tiles, etc. The AI model will be processing these things and generating top few 3D flow plans with 360-degree view support. The user can choose the 3D flow plan if likes. Otherwise, improvise on speech or text input. This can be the working of Aashiana app. These will be the features: flow plan, dollhouse, and walkthrough. But what's the framework of building Aashiana app? First, data collection, data processing, model training, model evaluation, model deployment, and model monitoring. Data collection. Collect and compile a large data set of 2D and 3D flow plan from a variety of sources. Second, data processing. Label and annotate the 2D and 3D data using machine learning techniques to establish key specifications. 3. Model training. Develop and train machine learning algorithms to analyze the data using techniques such as computer vision, pattern recognition to identify trends, patterns, and areas for improvement. Model evaluation. Work with architects and civil engineers to test and refine the program's capabilities and effectiveness. Fifth, model deployment. Launch the application on preferred platforms, for example, mobiles or tablets for users to access and view 3D flow plan with 360-degree view support. Model monitoring. Continually refine and improve the program's algorithms and techniques by incorporating feedback and insights from architects and civil engineers and introducing new trends and lifestyle data sets. That's all for today. Thank you.